Channel in this niche earns anywhere from $800 to $13,000 per month creating content at your own high. And this is even provided that the videos do not come out every day. Just look at this channel. It is very young. It came out 11 videos, and it is already gaining millions of views, and it already has 30,000 subscribers. In this video, we will learn how to create such content and earn on it as much and more. By and large, the video consists only of screen capture and voiceover on top of the voice. Not even necessarily your own. You can use neural networks. The main thing, quality, otherwise may not connect monetization. But if you have the opportunity, I still advise you to use voice over your voice. In general, this niche about the review of old toys and how to play them in 2023, whether they are obsolete or not, how far behind the graphics. In general, such videos are watched by those who want a nostalgia for old games. For many people, it is more than games. It is a warm memory from childhood. Now, I suggest you watch one video from this channel to see what it's all about.
Worth playing anymore? After all, Fallout 76 is still very much a full-on RPG with a ton of quests and role-playing. It's not like Rust, Destiny, or any other survival game, and it still has all of the elements of a normal Fallout game with the exception of it being online. You can play with your friends, random people in the wasteland, and by yourself. The only way for me to personally answer that question is to play with both a friend and by myself. After all, this game is classified as a massively
I think you know what we're talking about. Now, I suggest you figure out how to make videos like the author collects the video sequence himself, mainly by shooting his screen. Nothing complicated, just find thematic shots and add them to the editing program. For voiceovers, I advise you to use the site 11 Labs. The best free analog I just do not know. The voiceovers are also in many other languages besides English. Hello. Hello. Well, if you are too lazy to shoot video yourself from the screen of your PC, then you can help you cite Pexels. There are free videos and copyright-free stock. I myself have been using it for a long time, and I advise you and you. Everything is very simple. Type in the search the subject that we need to find and get the video, then download them and add them to the editing program. Where easier? Also, I advise not to use one video more than 5 seconds. Otherwise, you can ruin the retention of your video. One more very important point. Some videos may be in shorts format. Such videos will not look very good, so be careful and check everything before downloading. Also, when you make a preview here, you can find a picture in a cool resolution, and on any topic, use the idea for a video, script, title, description. All this will help you to generate ChatGPT, and such a description will not be able to come up with every person. Use this neural network and simplify your life. Neural network is completely free, but if you need to find, for example, current information on the game, then on ChatGPT, hope not, there is information from 2021. Remember this! Also, if you don't like the first option, you can ask the neural network to come up with other options and so on ad infinitum. I think it's a very cool thing. Friends, now please listen to very important instructions from me. Do not hope for results at once. Releasing one video, you will not have 1 million views. It does not happen. You need to work long and hard, only so you can achieve success. 2 very important advice. What to do if you have a question. For example, what video to make so that it is sure to gain views. It's simple. Your competitors will answer your questions. It is them. Analyze similar channels. See what topics they have come in and do the same, but much better, and so you will achieve the result. It is important not to copy exactly the same, but to do better, but in the same subject. I hope you understand what I'm talking about. Thank you for watching. From you, I expect likes and subscriptions.